What if I told you there's a brand new way to supercharge your metabolism and start burning fat faster than ever before? Without diets, workouts, or even breaking a sweat. It's called the purple pill exploit, and it's taking the internet by storm, shared over 1 million times already. This revolutionary discovery, backed by Harvard scientists, pinpoints the real culprit behind stubborn fat: low mitochondria levels. Mitochondria are like tiny engines in your cells. They're what your body uses to burn fat and turn it into energy. The more mitochondria you have, the more fat you can burn effortlessly, even while you sleep. Now, with the rising demand for Mitolyn, it's important to be cautious. Fake websites are popping up everywhere, selling counterfeit products that could waste your money and even compromise your health. To avoid this, we've included the official link in the description below. Using this link guarantees you'll get the genuine product, secure payments, and access to exclusive discounts for early buyers. One user shared, "I started waking up lighter every single day, without changing a thing." Imagine seeing results like that, without any crash diets or endless gym hours. That's where Mitolyn comes in. With its one-of-a-kind blend of 6 exotic nutrients and plants, Mitolyn is designed to supercharge your mitochondria levels, helping you torch stubborn fat, feel younger, and even enjoy smoother, more radiant skin. It's not just about weight loss. It's about unlocking your body's full potential. If you're ready to experience this game-changing breakthrough, don't wait. Click the official link below to learn more. Thousands are already transforming their lives with Mitolyn. Don't get left behind. Try Mitolyn tonight. Wake up tomorrow feeling the difference. Click the link below to get started now.